Good morning students, hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to calculate the duration in hours and minutes. Dear students, do you know how many minutes are there in 1 hour? Yes, 60 minutes are in 1 hour. Do you know when we use AM or PM? Yes, we use AM for the time from midnight 12 to noon 12. And we use PM for the time from noon 12 to midnight 12. Okay, let's start the lesson. A television program starts at 5:15 p.m. and ends at 6:05 p.m. How long does the television program last? Dear students, with the help of these clocks, we can calculate the duration of this program. As you can see, if it starts from 5:15 p.m. to 6:05, we will calculate from 5:15 to 6 o'clock. That are 45 minutes. And 6:05 means 5 minutes more. We will add 5 minutes in 45 minutes. This is how we can calculate the duration, as we can count on in minutes on a timeline to help us calculate how long the television program lasts. 5:15 to 6 p.m. that are 45 minutes and 5 minutes are more, so adding 45 and 5 minutes equals to 50 minutes. The television program lasts for 50 minutes. We can also say that the program has a duration of 50 minutes. The second example is given. Chunkles boarded a train in town A at 1:55 p.m. He reached town B at 5:15 p.m. How long was Chunkle's train ride? Dear students, we will find the duration. First, count on in hours, and then we will count on in minutes. From 1:15 to 5:15. First, we will counting on in hours. 1:15 to 1:55 to 2:55, that will be 1 hour. Then again to 3:55, it will be 2 hours. Again 1 hours more, 5:55. Now we are near to 5 p.m. so we will add up 5 minutes. 3 hours and 5 minutes. And after 5 p.m., 15 minutes are more given in the example. So 3 hours, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Now we will add the minutes. 15 plus 5, that will be 20 minutes. So we can say the duration of the ride is 3 hours and 20 minutes. You can see 5 minutes. We can also do it this way. If we round the hour 1:55 to 2, 5 minutes here, and then 2 to 5 p.m., that will be 3 hours, and 5 to 5:15 will be 15. Again we will write first the hours, 3 hours, and then we will add up the minutes 5 and 15, that will be 20 minutes. I hope you understand the concept. Chunkle's train ride was 3 hours and 20 minutes long. So what we have learned, we can also first count on in minutes to the next hours. As in this example, we count 5 minutes to the next hour, that was 2 p.m. And then we count on in hours, and then again we count remaining minutes. Jimbo's birthday party began at 11:30 a.m. It lasted for 3 hours and 20 minutes. What time did the party end? As you can see, 11:30 to 2:30, there are 3 hours. And again we count 20 minutes. After 20 minutes from 2:30 p.m., that will be 2:50 p.m. The party ended at 2:50 p.m. When the time passes noon, we write p.m. instead of a.m. A flight from Singapore to Shanghai takes 5 hours 35 minutes. If the plane leaves Singapore at 2:40 p.m., what time will it arrive in Shanghai? Dear students, in this example, again we will count on the minutes to the next hour, as 20 minutes are left from 2:40 to 3 p.m. So we will count 20 minutes here. Now we will count on in hours, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. If we count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 5 hours. And again, if 5 hours and 35 minutes of flight, then we have count 5 hours and 20 minutes. How many minutes are remaining? 15 minutes. After 8 p.m., if we count on 15 minutes, then we will get 8:15. So we can say flight arrived on 8:15 p.m. A group of people spent 2 hours 50 minutes at a zoo. They left the zoo at 4:20 p.m. What time did they arrive at the zoo? As the ending time is given in this example, 2 hours back from 4:20 p.m., we will get 2:20 p.m. Now we again count back 20 minutes, then we will get 2 p.m. as the total time is 2 hours and 50 minutes and we have counted 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now from 2 p.m., 30 minutes back, the time will be, yes, 1:30 p.m. Dear students, now we will solve practice zone. The question number 1 is, Hassan got on a bus at 7:35 a.m. He got off the bus at 11:20 a.m. What was the duration of the bus ride? Dear students, on this timeline from 7:35 a.m. to 8 a.m., if we count the minutes, we will get 25 minutes. Now again we will count on in hours from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. 9, 10, 11, yes, 3 hours. Now from 11 a.m. to 11:20 a.m., 20 minutes. Now we will gather or add up the minutes, 25 plus 20. We can easily add these minutes mentally. 25 plus 20, yes, 45. So the total time is, the duration of the bus ride was 3 hours and 45 minutes. Question number 2 is, it took Michael 1 hour 25 minutes to complete a marathon. He started at 6:50 a.m. What time did Michael reach the finishing line? What is marathon? It is the racing competition. If he started on 6:50, after 1 hour the time will be 7:50. Again we will count on to the next hour, that is 8 a.m. Then we will get 10 minutes. 15 minutes are left, so the finishing time will be 8:15 a.m. Michael reached the finishing line at 8:15. Question number 3 is, Mr. Ali took 1 hour 40 minutes to mow the lawn. He finished mowing the lawn at 11:15 a.m. What time did Mr. Ali start? 11:15 is the ending time. We will count back to the nearest hour, that is 11. 15 minutes before it will be 11. Again we will count back 1 hour, that will be 10. And 25 minutes are remaining. If we count back 25 minutes from 10 a.m., then we will get 9:35 a.m. Mr. Ali started mowing the lawn at 9:35 a.m. Dear students, here you have to write a.m. with time. Question number 4. Noman took a train from town P to town Q. He left town P at 7:50 p.m. The train journey took 6 hours 45 minutes. What time did Noman arrive in town Q? Dear students, here we have to draw a timeline by ourselves, and the ending time is 2. The starting time is 7:50. After 6 hours, the time will be, if we count on in hours, the time will be 1:50. Now we will round off the hour with counting by 10 minutes. Then we will get 2 a.m. As the minutes are given in question are 45 and we have count 10 minutes, the 35 minutes are left. From 2 a.m. if we count on 35 minutes, we will get the ending time, that is 2:35. So you can write the answer here, 2:35 a.m. Dear students, try by yourself, match your answers with these given answers. Good luck.